Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to create a special shape window. Let's get started. So as you can see over here, I have two panels which will be using it later on. Alright, and also I've created the platform for both sides. Alright, right now we want to start by creating a hole. Alright, so for the wall and also for our ceiling on top. Alright, so to create a hole, we can always go to cloud. Alright, so I'll start by creating a hole on my wall. Alright, so for the wall, we always choose the door and then we can always select an openings. Alright, so we just drag a door opening onto our 2D layout. Alright, once we are done dragging it, we can click onto the door opening and then we can start doing the resize. Alright, so I'm going to put the height to 2004 and I'm going to push the elevation up 400. Alright, and also I would like to change the length to 900. So as you can see, it's right in the center. Alright, so when I go inside my 3D, I can actually see a door opening or a hole on my wall. Alright, next up, we are going to create a hole on our ceiling. So for our ceiling, we can always go to Windows, and then we can always select the skylight. Alright, so I'll be selecting this skylight. So just drag and place it onto your 2D layout. Alright, once you're done putting in, you can always click on the skylight, and also same thing, we would like to resize. So I'm going to put this to 4000, and of course, I can always rotate and adjust the positioning. Alright, and also my width, I'm going to change it to 900. Alright, so it's equal for both sides, and of course over here I would like to stick right onto my wall. Once I'm done, I can go back into my 3D, and as you can see, I already have a hole on my ceiling and on my door. Alright, so now moving on, we can use the customization function. Alright, we can use a super plate to create the frame of our window. Alright, so all we need to do is just drag a super plate out just like that. Alright, so we can start by changing the size. Alright, so I'm going to create this frame over here first. Okay, so for the height, I'm going to put 2400, and of course for the depth, I'm going to put 70. Right, and for the width, I'm going to put 20. Okay, so as you can see, I have a panel right over here. Okay, so all you need to do is just click on Z to adjust the position. Alright, it's just like that. Alright, once you're done adjusting the position, we can always move the elevation up. So 400, same as our door opening. So as you can see, one of the frame has already been completed. So next thing you want to do is you can always change the material of your frame. Alright, so once I'm done changing the material, alright, so for this side, we can always just click on Ctrl and V. Alright, just to copy another panel out, just like that, and just drag it right over here and place it next to the wall. Right now, we are going to put in the panels. Okay, same thing, we're going to create the panels at the bottom. Okay, so everything we are going to use Superboard. So for this one, we are going to resize this. Same thing, the elevation, we put it up 400 first. Okay, so over here we put it 0. Of course, we want to know the depth. Okay, I'm going to put 70 as well. The width 70. This one I'm going to put, for the depth, I'm going to key in 800, 900. 850. So over here we can always put 2050 because we know in the center is 2050, right? So I might need to increase the length. Okay, so 870. Alright, once it's done, we can always just quickly push it in and place it right here, right? So all we need to have is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, so we have to create 6 frames. Okay, so according to this, and when you're done putting in all your panels, alright, as you can see, it will look something just like that. Alright, so next up, we are going to put in the mirror. Alright, so for the mirror, we are going to need superboard as well. Alright, so as you can see, these two superboards. Alright, so I've already did the sizing. Okay, so all I need to do is just adjust the position. Alright, adjust the elevation. And also, we can always adjust it into the center. Right, so now we can just slowly just drag and push it in just like that. And of course for the ceiling, alright, the same thing. I've already did the size of my window, so all I need to do is just drag up, let's see, to 2800, and then we can always just manually adjust. Alright, and of course when you're done adjusting these two, alright, all you need to do is just change the material into a glass material. Alright, so we can put in a clear glass, and then we can always use the format painter, material painter, and paint on the panel. Alright, and there you have it. This is how to create a special shape window. Good luck trying, guys.